Hello, hello, hello. Do you want to have a DAZN on your smart TV? Okay. This tutorial works for all smart TVs, whether it's Samsung, Hisense, LG. Okay, well, it works for all, and I will explain it to you. Okay. The first thing we have to do is go to our television. Okay, and we'll press the home button. Okay. On all the remotes of other televisions, they will have a house icon. Okay, you need to press it no matter the model. As long as it's a smart TV, they will have this icon. Okay, and once this is done, then we would have all the applications here. If you The dozen applications come by default here. Okay, the dozen application, for example, here. Well, you click it and you can register, pay for the subscription, and that would be enough. If not, what you need to do is go to the App Store on your TV. For example, here, LG Content Store. It will be to download applications for the LG TV, but for each smart TV, there will be an icon, right? For installing the applications, you click install the app, very easy, and it will appear here. Okay, once this is done, you register, pay the subscription, and that's it. You will have this dozen on your smart TV. Goodbye.